Buddy while it's storming. Hey, buddy. You see yourself, buddy? He hates storms, so. Wow, there's a bunch of people here. We're at Hendrix, getting something to eat. Buddy. Buddy. Buddy, buddy.
What is wrong with this man?
Danny.
Does he not know to pull up or do something?
Beep at him.
I'm fixing to.
Do it, do it. There you go.
He ain't doing nothing.
Beep. He knows what to do. He ain't stupid.
No, he don't. She's taking his order.
I didn't know that. That'd be embarrassing if you would have beeped.
You getting drenched? She got my order, baby, on the phone.
What?
She's got mine on the phone.
Oh, okay.
There was the order person lady. Yeah. Hey, buddy. He just doesn't know what to think. Right now, he's wearing his thunder shirt, and it makes him feel more protected than he would without it. So he's not shaking as bad. Gosh, there's a bunch of people beeping. Say hey, buddy. Still waiting on food. There he goes. It's okay, buddy. It's alright. He's wagging his tail. I can feel his little nose wiggling. Here comes the lady with our food.
Hey, here's your large tea oven.
Thank you.
That in that phone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know why they put shit for it.
fish?
Who knows? Here, I'll take it back.
Is it fish?
It's 2203.
It is fish, ain't it?
Yeah, it is fish. I don't know why they put that. Be right back.
Make. Oh, there you are. Keep you out $1 at least.
She nice?
Yes, that's Sam.
Oh.
Sam, I am. She dressed up when it was. Halloween in the Sam, I am. I did the video with Betty go. Did he let you?
I'm still videotaping it.
Oh.
Say hey, Nanny.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing, Betty boy? Come here a minute. Come here a minute.
This is my large awesome tea from Hendrix
Oh, you need a straw.
that I will enjoy very much.
You need a straw.
Yep, because I'm in love with their ice.
Might have to have a sip of it.
Ice is just
And then more some pepper on it.
like that. It's awesome. I feel weird taking this
They don't
video.
got much straw.
Buddy!
They do got plenty of one.
Buddy, buddy. I haven't heard thunder in a while. This must be thunder in the night.
Thank you, dear. Have a good
Keep
one.
you out some?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Toodles. Who was that, buddy?
That was Sam.
Does he know her?
Samantha, you know.
Samantha.
She's kin to Brandon and Tabitha.
Really? She looks familiar.
Huh.
She looks familiar. Hey, buddy. He will never look at me while I'm taking a video or taking a picture.
You're what?
He's curious. What is that noise? Oh, that's your windshield wipers, whatever. So here's gosh. Very big. Buddy.